In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace a static image in an HTML email template with a beautiful animated image slider. This is a custom-coded HTML email, and I'll be using one of the most popular email template builders, MailEditor, to make the update. First, head over to MailEditor.net and create an account so you can access the dashboard. Once you're inside the editor, click Upload and select your HTML file. After it uploads, click on the template to open it in the editor. Now, I'm going to remove the existing static image. Then I'll drag the image slider block into the layout. Next, I'll add the images I want to include in the slider. You can upload images directly here by dragging and dropping them, selecting them from your computer, or syncing them from your email service provider. After selecting the images, click Insert. The slider will start processing automatically. Once it's generated, you can customize the slider settings. For example, I'll choose the Fade and Zoom Transition effect. You can adjust styles, dimensions, and positioning however you like. You can also drag and reposition the slider anywhere within the template. When you're done making changes, just click Export to download the updated HTML file. You can also push the template directly to your preferred email service platform. And that's it. Here's the final version with a fully animated image slider, supported across most modern email platforms. Thanks for watching.